From humble beginnings in a garden pigeon shed in 1956, Jeff Poos has been leading the charge in the world of sewer cleaning machinery. The Raya emerged in 1961 as the very first one-man drain cleaning machine, and though sales were strong, Jeff Poos was far from finished. 1969, and enter the HD 77, Raya's first high-pressure jetting machine. '70s saw a period of rapid expansion for Rioned. Having developed the first high-pressure machine in 1969, the firm grew at an astonishing pace. In 1973, Jeff Poos moved his now 17-man operation to a brand new factory in Gual. Jeff's executive team drove Rioned to new heights, building a dealer network across Europe for the new compact high-pressure machines. Rioned's maintenance service became increasingly important. With the setup of a service center in Havelte in 1976, new technology arrived with the dawn of the 1980s, including early drain inspection cameras. As Rioned continued to grow, Jeff Poos retired as managing director, and by the end of the decade, the company had merged to form Rioned BV, the company we know today. The 1990s changed Europe. Borders opened, the euro was coming, competition grew. Rioned moved fast, focusing on customers and the right people. In 1990, Jan Peters joined as export manager. Just 12 years later, he became managing director and still leads today. By 2000, Rioned set the standard, achieving ISO certification and industry first. Then growth took off internationally. From its new base in Tilburg, Rioned launched Multijet, Unijet, Profijet, and CityJet. In 2006, the CityJet was evolved to fit smaller commercial vans. It didn't just succeed, it went global. New offices opened in France. Rioned UK launched and developed a growing global distribution network. The real story is the people. Many are still here today, some now working alongside the next generation of their own families. Rioned has been at the forefront of innovation in the drainage industry for decades, and nowhere more so than over the last 20 years. As technology advances, so does the need for greater transparency, smarter data, and better control in the field. In 2015, Rioned launched its award-winning e-control system, setting a new benchmark for machine intelligence and usability. In 2019, another milestone followed with the launch of the world's first fully electric van-packed jetting machine, the eCityJet. Alongside the introduction of the eFlow One, this is redefining sustainable performance for the sector. Over the past 2 decades, Rioned has also strengthened its European presence through strategic acquisitions in the UK and Germany. Today, connected technologies like RioConnect deliver real-time machine insight, transforming how fleets operate globally. As the industry evolves, Rioned continues to push forward, engineering smarter solutions for the future.